Welcome to Nest. This video will show you how to install your Nest Learning Thermostat. There are 4 main steps: removing your old thermostat, installing the base, connecting the wires, and connecting the display. Before you start, visit nest.com/works. You'll find out if Nest will work with your system and get a personalized wiring guide that you can use during installation. We've included a screwdriver, screws, and trim kit in the box to help with your installation. You might want to have a pair of pliers handy too. Let's get started. Go to your home circuit breaker and turn off heating and cooling. This is important to protect your system. If you're not sure if you've turned the power off, try turning heating or cooling on to double check, or just turn off the main power switch. Next, remove the face of your old thermostat. Most pop off, while others have screws that need to be removed. If the unit is built into the wall or you see thick wires connected by wire nuts, you have a high voltage thermostat. It may also be labeled 110V or 120V. Do not connect Nest to high voltage wires. At this point, we recommend taking a picture of the exposed wires. You can use it for reference later when reattaching the wiring to Nest base. If you have a jumper wire connecting one connector to another, just remove it. Nest doesn't need it. Don't worry about any unconnected wires. Because every heating and cooling system is different, it's important to label the wires. Attach the labels in the installation guide to the corresponding wires. When your wires are labeled, you can disconnect them from your old thermostat. Most thermostats have screws that hold the wires in. Others might have buttons you press to release the wire. When the wires are out, remove the backplate. Carefully pull the backplate from the wall, making sure none of the wire labels fall off. Now it's time to install the Nest Learning Thermostat base. If there are any holes or unpainted areas on the wall, this is a great time to patch, spackle, and paint. Or you can use the provided trim plate to cover up any holes or marks. Gently pull the wires through the base. Move the base so the wire hole is in the center. After you screw in the top screw, check once more to make sure Nest is level. Then screw in the bottom screw and tighten them up. Now it's time to connect the wires to the base. Make sure the exposed portions of the wires are straight. Insert each wire that's labeled. Simply push down on the connector that matches the wire. Insert the wire all the way into the hole and then release the connector. Be sure to put only one wire into each connector. Remember, anything that wasn't connected to your old thermostat shouldn't be connected here either. You're almost finished, but a bundle of wires can prevent the display from connecting properly. Push the wires back so they're flush with the wall. To connect the display, hold Nest with the logo at the top. Push it directly onto the base until you hear it click into place. Now you just need to go back to your circuit breaker and turn the power back on. That's all there is to it. Nest will start up shortly and guide you through setup. Learn more on our support site, nest.com/support.